Save code that works. It takes hours to find a code snippet or tutorial that actually works. And double that when you search for it again. We help you save and access snippets in less than 5 seconds with our web app, Chrome and IDE extensions. Just right-click and save. Save code snippets that work for the next time you need them. Save to the cloud. Access your snippets across devices and never lose them. Collections _ bookmark. Organize snippets. Group similar snippets together in collections or by hashtags. Open _ in browser. Save with a Chrome extension. Don't lose that snippet you found on step. Share code snippets. Every snippet you save has multiple ways to share. Explore the Pinterest of code. Discover new snippets and collections saved by the community.